Hello everyone, it's my honor to have a chance to present a speech with everyone who sits in front of the screen now. My name is Lee Eyann, matrix number 142292. Currently, I'm a third year polymer engineering student who study in USM Engineering Campus. So the topic I would like to present in this video is how fake news are threatening the world. So the reason why this topic is chosen is because I want to inform all of you about how the fake news spread and the problem will rise by fake news. So in this 7 minutes, I will present the definition of fake news, how fake news spread, and the problem rise by fake news. Before we enter our main topic, I would like to ask you all, do you know what is fake news? Fake news is an untrue information that does not require any evidence or certification to prove its value. Without the proven, the story of the fake news could be false, and it may be designed to mislead the reader by providing them with the wrong information. But somehow, there are still a lot of people who believe that the fake news is real. Next, we'll talk about how fake news spread. The fastest and simplest way of spreading of a fake news is by social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. People can simply make a fake news by a voice message or a post or a statement and share to all his friends. So when their friends see this, some of them might do not believe it, but the other might believe that the news is real. So through this case, those who believe that the news is the real one, they might share it to their friend. Through this way, a fake news can be shared to an unlimited number of people in just a few minutes. Besides that, bots from the social media also contribute to the spreading of fake news. You might not know what is bot, so I can share that you have seen them before. Bots usually hide behind our social media and share a lot of advertisement to us when we are scrolling our Facebook or YouTube. So I guess you know what is bots now. Bots usually will collect data from the user or news or anything that is popular, and they will share it automatically to the other user. So through this news, a fake news might be shared to the other people. So since the bots they cannot identify whether the news is true or false, so they just simply share anything they collected. Therefore, a fake news can be shared in a moment to a million of persons in just a few seconds. Besides that, the developer of the bot can be paid to help in sharing of fake news also. They will not identify whether the news is true or not, because they just take the money and work for it. And lastly, we'll talk about the problem raised by fake news. So one of the problems raised by fake news is it will reduce the impact of real news by providing the wrong information. So for example, if a news informs us about taking this product will benefit our health, but there's a fake news pop up and tells us that this product will cause us to get disease or cancer easily. So people will rather believe the fake news than the real news because they do not want to take the risk to harm their own life. Besides that, fake news could also create chaos among our society. So for an example, fake news about MCO. If a fake news about MCO, like MCO is gonna launch on tomorrow, so this will definitely cause a chaos among people because they are confused, they are scared, so they will quickly go to their shopping mall, buy a lot of store to prepare and stay in home. But the news is false, is fake one. So this will definitely cause a problem to them. Therefore, this is how fake news create chaos. And next, fake news could also playing around with the ignorance of people. The knowledge from the fake news are not always true, but there are still a lot of people believe that the knowledge is true and is very useful. So for example, if a fake news about if you eat this fruit, yeah, you can immune to COVID-19. But honestly, all of us know that this is impossible because even the vaccine are not yet come out. But there are still a lot of people trust this and they eat a lot of that fruit. So this is how fake news playing around with the ignorance of people. Okay. In conclusion, news has become an important media for us to learn knowledge and also to learn more about the world. It should be something that bring a positive impact to our life. But the presence of fake news has definitely created a negative impact to our society. Hence, in order to prevent the negative impact continue to grow, we should not share any news without enough information or evidence. And lastly, I would like to remind all of you that please do not simply share news without enough information or evidence. So that's all of my presentation. Thank you for watching.